US oil buy. This is a buy on US oil. We have a daily rejection from this open close level right here. In the bullish trend, we have a daily rejection from this open close level right here. And also a sweep of a previous low. All right. So this is a strong low to look for your buy intentions. All right. This is a strong low to look for your buy setup. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have a rejection and formation. All right. This is a bullish sign. All right. This is a sign that the market is potentially going to reverse. All right. Remember, it's not 100%. We are just capitalizing on our setup. On 3 hours, it makes more sense. We have a rejection from this support and also a formation of a level. And on 15 minutes and 45 minutes, the shift is visible. All right, I'm seeing the shift here. This is where I got my shift. And immediately this candle closed at this high right here, I expect price to continue the bullish momentum. And let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So you see, we switch to the line chart, it becomes more obvious that we have an high here that has been violated. All right. So this is what we are capitalizing on. And let's see if this is another win or another loss. I'm documenting everything. I'm documenting everything. All right. Remember, we started with 20,000 naira. I'm currently on the good on the US oil buy. We started this account with 20,000 naira. We took it to 51,000 naira. And earlier today, I was looking for the best way to trade this account to make the most out of it. Then I stumbled across a prof term account. All right, a good funded prof term account, and I got one. All right, and I got one good funded prof term account. So right now we have two accounts under this same challenge. We have two accounts under this same challenge. I got the account for $17 because they were doing promo, but it's originally for $28. All right, so let's see if this is another win or another loss, or